Wooden crafts have a timeless appeal that transcends trends, blending functionality with natural beauty. The versatility of wood allows artisans and hobbyists to create an array of stunning decor and craft products that can enhance any space while showcasing creativity and craftsmanship. From rustic finishes to sleek modern designs, wooden crafts offer endless possibilities for those looking to add a personal touch to their homes or create unique gifts. This exploration delves into various wooden craft ideas that not only highlight the aesthetic qualities of wood but also emphasize its utility and charm. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you wooden craft ideas for stunning decor and craft products that reflect your unique style and interests, so watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. One of the most beloved wooden craft projects is the creation of wooden furniture. Crafting pieces such as tables, chairs, and shelves provides an opportunity to blend artistry with practicality. A well-made wooden dining table, for instance, becomes the centerpiece of a home, where family and friends gather to share meals and create memories. Choosing the right type of wood is crucial. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, and cherry offer durability and rich grain patterns, while softer woods like pine can be painted or stained to fit a variety of styles. The finishing process, whether applying a natural oil or a vibrant paint, can transform the look of the piece, allowing artisans to reflect their personal style or the desired aesthetic of their space. Beyond traditional furniture, wooden wall art has gained popularity as a means of adding character and warmth to interiors. Artisans can create intricate designs by cutting shapes from wood and arranging them into visually striking compositions. Geometric patterns or abstract art can serve as focal points in living rooms, while personalized pieces featuring family names or meaningful quotes can add a touch of sentimentality to entryways or bedrooms. The natural colors and textures of wood enhance these artworks, creating a rustic yet modern look that resonates with many design sensibilities. These pieces can be finished with stains or left in their raw state to showcase the unique grain patterns, providing a versatile option for home decor. Another engaging project is the crafting of wooden planters. As indoor gardening becomes increasingly popular, creating unique wooden planters can add an organic touch to any room. These planters can be designed in various shapes and sizes, from small herb boxes to large statement pieces for indoor trees. Using reclaimed wood not only contributes to sustainability but also adds character through its weathered appearance. By incorporating drainage holes and liners, artisans can ensure these planters are functional while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. The juxtaposition of lush greenery against the rustic texture of the wood creates a beautiful visual contrast that can enliven any space. Wooden serving trays *** have also become a staple in home decor, merging beauty with practicality. Crafting a serving tray from high-quality wood allows for a stunning presentation piece that can be used for entertaining or as a decorative item on a coffee table. Artisans can personalize these trays with engravings, adding initials or meaningful designs that make them perfect for gifts. By experimenting with different shapes, such as rectangular, round, or even organic forms, craftspeople can create trays that fit various styles and occasions. Adding handles or unique hardware can further enhance their functionality while providing an artistic touch. In the realm of decor, wooden candle holders are another captivating project. These items can range from simple, rustic designs to intricate, contemporary pieces that accentuate any room. By shaping and sanding wood into various forms, such as tea light holders, pillar candle stands, or even chandeliers, artisans can create stunning focal points that evoke warmth and ambience. The natural grain of the wood can be highlighted through oil finishes or left raw for a more organic feel. Pairing these candle holders with aromatic candles creates an inviting atmosphere, making them perfect for cozy evenings or special occasions. Wooden clocks ** are yet another exciting avenue for crafting. A wooden clock can serve as both a functional timepiece and a beautiful decor item. By selecting a unique piece of wood with interesting grain patterns, artisans can create clocks that stand out in any room. The crafting process involves not only shaping the wood but also integrating clock mechanisms and hands, allowing for creativity in design. Whether opting for a minimalist look or a more ornate style, a wooden clock can add a touch of sophistication while being a conversation starter in any home. Another fascinating project is creating wooden toys. While often associated with childhood, the charm of wooden toys extends beyond the playroom. Crafting items like puzzles, building blocks, and pull-along toys allows for creativity while ensuring durability. These toys can be designed with safety in mind, featuring smooth edges and non-toxic finishes. Artisans can personalize these items with colors, shapes, and themes that resonate with children, making them not only functional but also beautiful keepsakes. The tactile nature of wood encourages imaginative play, offering a sensory experience that plastic toys often lack. Wooden jewelry *** is another trend that has garnered attention in recent years. Artisans can create stunning pieces ranging from earrings and bracelets to pendants and rings. By using thin slices of wood, they can craft intricate designs that highlight the natural beauty of the material. The process often involves laser cutting or hand carving, allowing for detailed patterns and shapes. Wooden jewelry can be finished with oils or paints, providing options for customization and personalization. This type of craft appeals to those looking for unique accessories that stand out while also being eco-friendly. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In the realm of home organization, crafting wooden storage solutions offers both beauty and utility. Items such as wooden boxes, bins, and shelves can help declutter spaces while adding a stylish touch. Crafting a wooden box with a sliding lid can provide a chic way to store items like jewelry or keepsakes, while decorative bins can be used for toys or craft supplies. The natural look of wood creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, making these storage solutions not just practical but also decorative elements within the home. Wooden coasters *** are another practical yet beautiful craft project. Crafting coasters from slices of tree trunks or pieces of reclaimed wood offers a rustic charm that can complement any decor style. Artisans can personalize these coasters with engravings, adding a unique touch that makes them perfect for gifts or personal use. The natural variations in wood ensure that each coaster is one of a kind, making them not only functional items but also small pieces of art that can spark conversation. Finishing the coasters with a protective coating ensures they remain durable while showcasing the beauty of the wood. For those looking to create functional decor, wooden wall hooks provide an excellent opportunity. These hooks can be crafted in various designs, from simple pegs to intricately carved shapes. They serve as both practical storage solutions for coats, bags, or accessories and decorative elements that enhance the aesthetic of a space. By using reclaimed wood or pieces with interesting textures, artisans can create unique hooks that reflect their style while serving a functional purpose. The combination of beauty and utility makes wooden wall hooks a popular choice for entryways, mudrooms, and bathrooms. Wooden picture frames *** are another way to showcase the beauty of wood while displaying cherished memories. Crafting frames allows for creativity in design, with options ranging from minimalist to ornate styles. Artisans can select wood that complements the artwork or photographs they intend to display, enhancing the overall presentation. Adding personal touches, such as custom engravings or unique finishes, can transform a simple frame into a meaningful piece that enhances home decor. These frames can be arranged in galleries or used as standalone pieces, offering versatility in how they are displayed. The rise of upcycling has also influenced wooden crafts, encouraging artisans to repurpose old wood into new creations. This approach not only reduces waste but also adds character to each piece. For instance, turning an old wooden pallet into a coffee table or a rustic shelf can yield stunning results that highlight the beauty of imperfections. Upcycled wood often carries a story, making each piece more meaningful. This trend appeals to those seeking sustainable options while also allowing for creativity in design. As technology advances, integrating modern techniques into wooden crafts can enhance creativity and precision. For instance, laser cutting allows artisans to create intricate designs with remarkable accuracy. This technology can be applied to various projects, from wall art to personalized gifts, enabling a level of detail that traditional methods may not achieve. The combination of modern techniques with traditional craftsmanship results in unique pieces that cater to contemporary tastes while celebrating the natural beauty of wood. Incorporating mixed materials into wooden crafts can also elevate the design. Combining wood with metal, glass, or fabric can result in striking pieces that capture attention. For example, a wooden lamp base paired with a metal shade creates a beautiful contrast that enhances the overall aesthetic. Similarly, wooden furniture pieces can be complemented with metal accents, adding an industrial touch to traditional designs. This approach allows artisans to experiment with different textures and finishes, creating unique items that reflect personal style. The market for handcrafted wooden items continues to grow, providing opportunities for artisans to showcase their work. Participating in local craft fairs or selling online can connect creators with an audience that appreciates quality craftsmanship. Sharing the story behind each piece, whether it's the inspiration, the materials used, or the process of creation, can resonate with potential buyers, making them more invested in the product. As the demand for sustainable, handmade goods increases, artisans who focus on wooden crafts can find their niche in a thriving market. Wooden crafts offer a rich tapestry of opportunities for creating stunning decor and functional items. From furniture and wall art to toys and jewelry, the versatility of wood allows for endless creativity and expression. The natural beauty and unique characteristics of wood enhance each piece, making them not just functional objects but also works of art that can transform spaces. As artisans explore the possibilities of wood, they contribute to a growing appreciation for handcrafted items that celebrate both form and function, enriching homes and lives with their creations. Whether for personal use or for sale, wooden crafts undoubtedly embody the charm and utility that make them timeless treasures. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.